This beginner-friendly introduction to Java programming. Today we will learn the basic of Java and its importance in the world of software development. Guys, Java is a popular programming language known for its versatility and portability. It was created by the James Gosling and released by the Sun Microsystem in 1995. Since then, it has become one of the most widely used language for building various type of applications, including web, desktop, mobile, and more. So you might be wondering why you should learn Java. Well, Java has several benefits like platform independence. Java is a platform independence language. Java is write once, run anywhere. Vora, meaning you can write a code one on any platform and run it on any other platform without modification. It is object oriented language, just like we say that it is a oops language. Hug community and libraries, it have a many communities and libraries are available. By learning a Java we have the many job opportunities as a Java developer or full stack developer. And thank you.